Can't say enough how much maintenance is very important. I mean, think about your car. Think about if you never change the oil on your car. Do you think that your engine's going to get 100,000 miles on it? No.
No.
It's the same thing, and we see it repeatedly where we see customers will call us and say, we're losing some clamping pressure or something like that. We send in a tech, we look at it, and it's clearly that it's been on a machine for 2 or 3 years and it's never been greased. It's never been taken out and cleaned and maintained. You would be amazed at the clamping pressure you lose alone just from greasing. So maintenance is a huge issue, and that needs to be taken into consideration with our chucks. Not that they won't last for 2 or 3 years without maintaining them, but then at some point, you're going to start losing clamping pressure. And we've seen it very much that just by maintaining the grease and regular intervals, you maintain that high clamping rigidity that you need.
I couldn't agree more. Honestly, coming from a machine shop background, working on a ton of turning machines and seeing the chip build up that even used to happen in the simplicity of the chucks we were using. So very important. Yes, 3 so's in that.